Greetings from the future of smart, environmentally responsible road travel. This is the creative Skoda Motorhome 2026 idea, which blends classic Skoda functionality with a dash of contemporary flair and originality. The motorhome's appearance is sleek, aerodynamic, and minimalistic, fusing Skoda's distinctively sharp lines with contemporary innovations, such as perhaps integrated solar panels on top and wide windows that provide the illusion of more room. Beneath its sophisticated exterior, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome is propelled by a number of cutting-edge and efficient engines. There will likely be an environmentally friendly plug-in hybrid, PHEV variant that combines a strong electric motor with a powerful turbocharged gasoline engine to offer a considerable all-electric range, as well as range-extended capabilities for lengthy trips. An all-electric EV version will also be available for emission-free driving. It will have a longer range and run more smoothly and silently owing to the most recent battery technology developed by the Volkswagen Group. A very contemporary and ergonomic dashboard greets you as soon as you enter. The primary control center will be a large floating touchscreen that offers simple access to the newest infotainment system, cutting-edge augmented reality navigation, and several other automotive features. The completely adjustable digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel will display important information in a clear, contemporary manner. By combining soft touch with sophisticated accents, the dashboard's materials, which can incorporate creative recycled materials, will showcase Skoda's dedication to sustainability. You will be welcomed with a large, multi-purpose space as soon as you enter the main interior area. The Skoda aesthetic and useful Scandinavian design will be visible despite the cozy ambience created by warm LED ambient lighting and muted hues. High-end fabric or vegan leather sofas and armchairs will be folded or rearranged to become a dining area or even an additional bed in the living room. Everywhere you walk, you can interact with nature thanks to the breathtaking views provided by the large panoramic windows outside. Despite being an RV, the sleeping space is made to be as comfortable and private as possible. The main bed will be a cozy queen or double bed that can be folded down or slide out to conserve room when not in use. Around the bed are also ingenious, concealed storage cupboards for clothes and personal belongings. After a day of exploration, a pleasant night's sleep will be guaranteed with heavy drapes and dim lighting. The Skoda Motorhome 2026 bathroom will impress with its well-considered layout and practicality. A space-efficient design will include a modern, user-friendly cassette toilet, a small wash basin with hot and cold water taps, and an integrated shower with high water pressure. Mirrors, ideal lighting, and easily cleaned and moisture-resistant materials will all be there. The focal point of your RV will be the integrated kitchen. A 2-burner induction cooktop for EV efficiency, a sizable refrigerator and freezer, a microwave or convection oven, and a stainless steel sink are all part of its ergonomic design. Sophisticated cupboards and drawers with a safe locking mechanism for travel will have plenty of space for keeping food and utensils. You can cook delectable meals in the heart of nature with worktops composed of durable, easily cleaned materials.